Happening, Dustin here, bringing you another episode of Life in a Mustang, and today I got something that's been sitting around in my drawer for a long time. It's in this little package. Oh well, it's going off. Anyways, so my little carport right here, it's getting pretty crowded. I really need to clean out the shop. But check this out. This is what I did today. I installed some more cameras to my security system. Right there. There's two right there. There's one right there. I got some out there. You know what that's for? That's for mail. That's right, mail and security. So sometimes you ever get a USPS package that says delivered at your front door and then you don't get it for a week? Well, now I got a camera pointing at my front door on top of all these. So yeah, mailman, say my package is there now. Anyways, today I'm gonna show you how to change the bulbs on your fog lights, because I had these in my drawer and they need change because one of them doesn't work. Here, I'll show you. Let me show you. Only one. So that's what I'm fixing today. We're gonna take care of that problem. All right, so start by jacking the car up. That way you can get under the car. Most of the time you take your tire off, take your inner fender off, and then you can get to the fog lights. But I'm gonna try to do it a little different. Let's see if it works. Make sure you put blocks under the car after the jack too. It might fall on you. I got it off. It looks like that. I just twist into that hole right there. This is my new eBay ones. Take them out of the package. We have success. I got it back in. So the eBay one came with this gasket. I had to take the original gasket off from this one and put on that one for it to actually twist in. It was too thick of a gasket. All right, on to the next one. All right, so with the car off the ground, we can reach the fog light underneath the front bumper and splitter. So you just reach in here. Oh, sorry for the hand. You twist and you pull it out. There's the bulb. This one was the one that still functioned. It's just a clip. You pull this clip right here down and pull this apart. I'm gonna have to do that off camera. Okay, so this is what the new one looks like. It's just an LED right there. And it's got the plug just like the other one on the back. All right, I got it all clipped together. That's what it looks like right there. I'm gonna just put it back in here and twist. As you can see, there's like 3 little spots where it's gotta go in, and it's got those 3 spots on the front of this, and it just goes in and twists. So let's see if I can get that on camera. Just gotta kind of feel for it. Let's see if you can line it up. That's it. You just push it back in there, twist it. It's twist lock. All right, let's try these things out. All right, and there you go. They're super white. That's gonna look really good. I think I paid like $3. $3 off from eBay, but they ship from China. See, those are actually $70 bulbs, and those are switchback LEDs. It's 2 different colors. I actually have halogens for that. But I didn't like the, they weren't as bright as these. Those yellow ones actually are brighter. But as you can see, the switchbacks, I want to get some of the clear, clear eBay. And I did refurbish these, but it's time to do them again. I mean, the car is almost 20 years old, but you can see the color difference. I still think it looks better than the amber bulb because they come factory with the amber bulb. All right, I'll show you what it looks like. And that's it. Just See, now it's amber. It switches to amber. So, oh, and to run those, I run all LEDs. These are eBay LEDs. I run all those in the tail lights. My dome light, that's LED. That was $3 for like 100 bulbs. And then right here, I already pulled it down for you. You can hear it clicking. Checking one of my toolboxes. Ah, right here. That's your factory Ford. That's what it looks like. That's your turn signal relay flasher. There you go. That's all four corners are LEDs. I showed you that. I showed you where the relay was. It all came off eBay. I spent under $100 for the relay flasher, the tail lights, the switchbacks, the fog lights. As soon as I get some proper headlights with the clear corner lenses instead of those, I get the clear ones. It's gonna look sweet. I mean, it's gonna look pretty nice. It's gonna look real nice. So there you go. I mean, under $100. I just climbed under the car, did the fog lights. I didn't have to take my inner fender off and do all that. I mean, it depends on where you go, what you see, but climb under the car, just twist it out, pull it out, pop in the LEDs. Make sure you pay attention to where you buy from. If you buy from China, it's gonna be like 30 days. So it took a really long time to get. But they've been sitting in my dresser drawer for almost a year now. One of the bulbs that I thought I'd replace it, make a video of it. I put up 2 videos every Sunday. One is this tool is cool. The other is some sort of vlog, some sort of how-to. Today was like a how-to. This is what I'm doing. I'm changing some bulbs. This is how you do it. You may or may not know. I don't know. I mean, some people may try to take the tire and inner fender off, for all I know, but it's not how I did it. I climbed under the car, pop, pop, boom, LED everywhere. So that's the way you do it. I'm doing an engine build, as some of you may know, all manly crank rods, pistons, ARP bolts. Waiting on some parts to come in. Mainly, I'm saving up for the machine work, and I'm debating on an on-3 turbo kit, a homemade rear mount turbo kit, or there's another company. I forgot the other company's name. I don't remember. Anyways, their stuff's really expensive, really nice. It's like $700 for the front mount tubing, and that's not everything you need. But stay tuned for many more episodes, and I'll catch you later. Peace. One more thing. Can't forget about that cold start as we pull this baby out of there.